So this is how you can paste a sticker onto a photo on your iPhone. Let's get into it. So for this kind of edits, you need a third-party editing app. And I personally recommend you to get this one, which is one called Hypic. It is free to download from the App Store, so you can go ahead and just get it right now. And if you open it up, you can start editing your photos. Naturally, you need to grant it access to yours, but essentially when you bring in the photo which you want to use as the background, you start editing this one, right? And at the bottom, you have like this view of multiple different things which you can just customize and change in here. So you want to essentially head over to the stickers. And in there, you have some built-in and like prepared stickers, and actually a bunch of them. But if you want to paste your own sticker on this photo, you can access the gallery and pick the photo which you like. And if there is like a subject on it, you can even cut it out to use as a sticker. So let me select the photo, and then you have the ability to auto select or use the quick selection tool, manual, and yeah, stuff like this. But the quick selection usually just works well, so you can do it this way, and you can just ensure that you select the entire thing as the subject. You want to just ensure that the whole thing is captured, and now it is gonna it's gonna show up as a sticker, which you can like rotate, and you can make it larger and smaller and place it and paste it on top of your existing photo, so it just gives it a very nice effect. Now you can actually just hit the download button and export that image, have it finally like saved in your gallery, and it's gonna be really good. So that's one approach. Naturally, any other or more photo editors are going to work in a similar way where you can just paste stickers that way. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.